Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have some fantastic deals over at Walgreens for the week of May the 19th to the 25th. So I'm pretty excited by this flyer, and as the week marches on, it gets better. So we still have our booster from last week, which is 10 back when you spend 40. The top one you can use more than once, and it's valid for the last 2 weeks. And then we have the 10 back when you spend 40 on allergies. And as a curbside pickup, we're going to investigate that one probably Monday-ish. So yeah, another great week. I mean, even spending like $40 on allergy, you're getting $20 back. Hello. Fantastic. I made a video yesterday and published it a little later, and it's called Easy Fixes. Lots of errors that a lot of you are getting either in store, just with IBOTTA. I kind of unpack a lot of little ways to have more success over at Walgreens. I'm going to link this video at the very end. Even if you're a more experienced shopper, there's some goofy things happening, especially with the app, just how to remedy it. It'll be linked at the end of this video. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday, May the 19th. This is just a preview. As we're getting very close to Memorial Day weekend, there's lots of food deals in this flyer, so I'm very happy about that. We have 3 for $11.99 on the 7-Up, and then if you look below, $1 off 3 digital coupon. It's 7-Up, Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, those good soda deals on the 12 counts. So grabbing 3 of them, that's $11.99. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $10.99 for the 3, or $3.29 per 12 pack. And so that's really fantastic. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But I haven't seen a soda deal this cheap in a very long time. So if you're having a little cookout for Memorial Day, this would be a perfect time to stock up on the cheap. Now, the next deal that we're going to look at is 3 for $9, and what I'm keying in on is the Doritos. For whatever reason, that one chip is really expensive lately. So at this price point, it would be $3 a bag. Maybe they'll give us a digital coupon starting on Sunday. We'll have to double, triple check. It is Memorial Day weekend, so they might. But this is definitely a stock up price because for one bag, it's usually $5.99, so $3 is some savings right there. And then another deal that we're going to look at food related are these Nice brand peanuts. I think they're right up there with Planters for $1.78. Some tremendous savings. I bought a couple of these for my mom, and we had them on Mother's Day weekend, and they were so fresh. I mean, it's just a really great product. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to look at is a freebie with the Crest or Oral-B toothbrushes. They are $3 a pop. That's the ones we're looking for. And we have a 3 off 2 digital, and then a $3 register reward when you buy 2. This is a very straightforward deal. Grabbing 2 of these for $6. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $3. Get back a $3 register reward, essentially making it free. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can in fact use some Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Another dental care deal is with the Colgate Dental Care. Okay, $4 reward when you buy 2, and then we have the same digital coupon, so we're going to have to load that first thing Sunday morning. Grabbing 2 items at $4.50 a piece, that's $9. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Yet another deal that we're pretty excited about are the Tide Bounce Unstoppable products at $5.49, and it says $1.50 coupon. So usually for Tide Pods, Tide Liquid, and the other 2 items get $1 digitals. That's about $5 in digitals. So 4 of these items, and then hopefully we have digital coupons for all of them. We're going to have to double, triple check on Sunday, but typically it's $5 off. We'll pay $16.96, get back a $5 register reward, making it $11.96 for the 4 items or $2.99 per product. And this is Tide, so this is a very good deal. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Not as good, but the $12.99 larger Tide Cares, and we have a $3 digital and then a $4 register reward when you buy 2 of them. I mean, if other register rewards are printing for these products, possibly a better deal. If not, it'll just be $9.99 for these larger Tides. But we'll have to figure something out, maybe curbside. If that $4 back is showing up there through the app, that's possibly a deal. I know a lot of shoppers prefer Persil over Tide. It's like a German Tide. It's either or. $5.99, which is already a fantastic price point. With the $2 digital, it'll drop it down to $3.99. That is a stock up price. And then we have the Palmolive at $2.99 with a $1 digital coupon, dropping this guy down to $1.99. I'm very curious how large that Palmolive will be. We'll have to figure that out Sunday morning. Okay, now here's a deal for the men's Nivea body wash. Is a little bit cheaper than the ladies on a BOGO, 50% off, $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy two. Grabbing two of the men's, which is cheaper than the women's one. It's $10.48. Getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, it makes it $5.48 for the two body washes. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but a little stock up price on men's body wash. And then now we're looking at a deal with the Walgreens dandruff shampoo. There's supposed to be a $2 off coupon starting on Sunday, so we'll see what that is. Okay, so two of these shampoos is going to be $11.98 at $5.99 a pop. And is it $2 IVC off of each? That would be $4 coming off. We'll have to wait and see what that is. $7.98 you'll pay out of pocket. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $2.98 for the two, or $1.49 per dandruff shampoo. That's a stock up price. And it says buy in this, so yes, you can use Walgreens cash if you wish to earn your $5. Okay, so now we're looking at another deal with the Hawaiian Tropic Banana Boat, $9 to $12, $4 reward when you buy two, and a $2 digital coupon. Perhaps grabbing one of each, or if they have hang tags at your store, that's $18 for two, subtracting $4 in coupons, and look for those hang tags. It's basically a coupon that's hanging off the product. Pay $14, guys, get back a $4 register reward, making it $10 for the two, or $5 each. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash. You're doing this deal with no booster. Now, the Aussie is BOGO, 40% off, and we have a 4 off 3 digital, and then a $2 reward when you buy three. So grabbing three of these products, that would be $14.37. Subtracting that 4 off of 3 digital, you'll pay $10.37 out of pocket, get back a $2 register reward, making it $8.37 for the three, or $2.79 per product. And you can use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Clairol, $5 reward when you buy two, and we have a generous 6 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing two of these hair dyes, that would be $20.98. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $14.98. Get back, I think, $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $9.98 for the two, or $4.99 per hair dye. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, so let's talk about some quick honorable mentions, or maybe not so quick, the way I rattle on. We have the Almay and Revlon cosmetic or beauty tools, $10 reward when you spend $25. What are the digital coupons for those products? That might be a very good deal starting on Sunday. And then we also have this, which is interesting, a buy one, get two for free on the Purex. It's typically like $8.99 or $7.99 for the three. So it's $2 and some change. If you love Purex, that would be a really good stock up price and a deal of the week for you. And then $1.99 for the complete home trash bags. This is one item I hate buying is trash bags. So $1.99 is the stock up price in my book. And the Flonase. This is interesting. With the allergy, we possibly could get, $20 back on a $40 purchase. There's going to be an $8 digital coupon, $5 reward when you buy two. However, what I'm wondering about, guys, is Shop Me, I'm going to have an $8 rebate starting on Sunday. If yes, this possibly could be a fabulous deal. And then now with Memorial Day so close, there's tons and tons of food deals. They want you to get all of your snacks and soft drinks and you name it, it's there. There's even BOGO free on hot dogs. So you might want to consider Walgreens. Use Walgreens cash and make it happen. There's also been a lot of baby clearance, especially with diapers. And there's a 3 off 2 digital. So you know what? If your store hasn't had anything on clearance and then magically that Saturday everything starts going on clearance, the Saturday before this ad is published, you might want to load everything and grab a bunch on Sunday, and you could probably get a lot of diapers very cheap if you've been like, I wish. You never know how these things might line up, but there's supposed to be a lot of really good diaper coupons starting on Sunday morning. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.